So, if you're having problems with Bus Simulator Ultimate here and you're having problems with logged in, well, there are a few things that you may want to check and you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that your internet connection is quite stable. So, in this case, if you're having like unstable interconnectivity or in general here your interconnection is really slow, well, that's the problem here. So maybe consider switching to a different Wi-Fi connection or try using your mobile data here and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help or you're sure that your interconnectivity is not the problem here, next thing that you want to do is you want to guarantee that you're not using any VPNs. Like for example, if you're running VPNs in the background, this will actually slow down your interconnectivity. So although other devices or phones connected in your same network, as long as you're using VPN, it will slow down your connectivity. Also, you may want to check for any updates for the game. So you want to open up Google Play Store, look for Bus Simulator Ultimate here, and if you do see any update, go ahead and just update it and just restart the game and see if that actually helps. Now, once you've done that, next thing that you want to do is you may want to clear a few things here. So in this case, with Bus Simulator Ultimate here, you want to look for the actual app. You want to go and press and hold on it. Click on the eye icon here. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, just click on clear cache, then click on OK. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and restart or fully close down Bus Simulator here, open it up again and see if that helps. And finally, the last and final thing that you could try doing here is just restarting your phone. Now sometimes a good restart on your phone can help a lot, so go and try that and see if that helps. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.